Hello and good afternoon guys. Welcome to MK Convenience Brokerage. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm going to go over an insurance company called Johnson & Johnson. So for those of you that are prospective new brokers or agents that are trying to find companies in order for you to help out, give more quotes or faster quotes, Johnson & Johnson is one of those few companies that will help you out. So Johnson & Johnson, it's for the New York region area. They're located at Forest Hill. The office is located at Forest Hill. Terry McDowell is the vice president. He's a sales in New York region. The company is really good. Going with short, like if you want an instant quote, like usually they'll try their best to find the best company as possible, the cheapest one. So they're really good at it. Obviously, they're located all over. They're in the Southwest, Middle Atlantic, South Florida, New England, New York, and Queens, Louisiana, New Orleans. So they're all over the New York City area. Terry McDowell, she's the vice president of sales. Tom is the New York State marketing representative. So he's really good at what he does. So these are the information listed. So if you are interested in getting an appointment, you can always email them directly and see if they can help you out. So these are some of the extensions for the underwriter. So they do have a commercial underwriter and personal underwriter. Usually you send submissions to the quotes at this email address and they'll see from there. They have worker compensation, they have commercial flood, commercial marine, transportation, professional liability, obviously habitation, marine and recreation, and so forth. They also have personal line as well. So for those of you that are interested, personal line is there for them too. So obviously, as you can see, they have a lot of other markets available. These are some of the sample classes that they'll do. For example, they'll deal with daycare, home health care, hospitality, hotels, welding, roofing, retail, restaurants, lesser risk only, and then obviously so much more. Again, these are the top classes they do handle. The top classes mean that they specialize in it. Oil and gas, public entity, restaurant and bars, student housing, vacant properties, importers, excess flood, excess wind, contractors. These are the submission tips. Obviously, what I usually do as a broker, if I do want to submit something, my easy thing is I'll just go and what I'll do is I'll just do the regular quote form. I'll put down quotes at JJINS, Johnson & Johnson, and I'll tell them, listen, can you give me a quote for such and such person? And usually I don't do the cover letter, but usually everything is on the quote form, such as effective date, whatever it is. You can always let them know and they'll always correct it. Loss runs are something iffy. A lot of brokers don't have, especially new brokers, don't have access to loss runs. So what I'll do is I'll just, the company, a lot of companies do have loss runs, so they'll do it from their end. So you don't have to worry about it. One of the things about Johnson & Johnson is if the person doesn't have prior insurance, Johnson & Johnson will give you the no loss form and no prior insurance form, and the customer could fill it out and you can actually give it to them. So it's like some companies tell you, we don't want to touch it, we don't want to do anything with it. Johnson & Johnson will really go above and beyond to help you guys out. Again, see, these are some of the commercial inland marine spotlights. Again, if you are targeting that class of business, these are some of the things you could look into as well. Commercial ocean marine spotlight as well. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that you could go after, but everyone has their own niche, what they want to do. So keep that in mind. If you want to go after the accountants, if you go on after the financial lines, if you're going to go after the media, social services, real estate property manager appraisals, for errors and omission, there's a lot of stuff. So this is again the highlights that they'll do with environmental / pollution liability. If that's what you're going to be going into, there's a lot of stuff over here involved. Again, for E&O and D&O and EPL, cyber and medical malpractice, these are some of the things that they'll help out. Crime as well, pollution, working compensation, they have a lot of stuff too. Target class is not all inclusive, garage liability, public auto, commercial auto, truck and cargo, physical damage, which is usually the TLC type. And partnership with them is the most valuable. Again, these are markets in New York region. Obviously, go by which state you're in. These are some of the companies on the left-hand side, and obviously, what's in New York State or not, they'll tell you. Again, all these products are available, and it's a lot of products. They're Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4:30. Submission again If you do it before 2 p.m., you'll get the response by 5 p.m. Upon receipt of application, binding authority is issued within 10 business days. Usually they'll deliver it the next day. Non-authority are issued to those carriers. Renewals are, they'll let you know about 45 to 60 days prior to expiration, which is good. Endorsement, usually just email them, they'll do it. Cancellation. So Johnson & Johnson is, what's the word I'm looking for? You'll get paid up front. What do I mean by that? Basically, what I mean is let's say in a direct bill, it's kind of like this as an agency bill. Basically, in a direct bill, a customer gets paid when the company pays you. So the company is the one that will end up sending you the commission rate and everything. In an agency bill, you'll get the commission up front, but technically you're responsible for their premiums. Meaning that if the customer doesn't pay, you'll get an alert that the customer has to make a payment, so you'll collect the payment from them. You could either do a financial, like a small financial thing with the customer, where you could get the money and everything, or you could do something else. Cancellation. You can do a direct cancellation with Johnson & Johnson. Just keep that in mind whichever customer you're giving, so let them know. So these are again highlights and coverages. Again, it varies by company. These are the primary flood residential, primary flood commercial, access flood, CBRA flood, small boat highlights, recent hit list for personal line marines. Again, these are all the things they do. Reinstatements, they help out with that as well. Cancellation, I already said. Claims, there's a 24-hour response to email received. It's a new business, personal lines, commercial lines, invoicing policies. They do everything. So when I say everything, they do everything. It's really good at it. Claims, this is the email address for those of you who list claims. But obviously, if you have questions, you can call the department as well. So they use an agency management system, so which is pretty good. It's like an online system for Johnson & Johnson. Everything is online, so which is pretty good. So for those of you that are like love agency management system, Johnson & Johnson has its own thing. So whenever you bind a customer, whenever a person needs to make a payment, everything's gonna be online. They'll help you set up everything, so which means you don't have to worry about anything else. Basically, that's about it. To be honest with you, I just wanted to let you guys know. They do have the premium financial needs as well. So those of you that do need financial help, for the insurance policy, that obviously they help you out with that as well. And basically that's about it. I just wanted to cover Johnson & Johnson insurance policy. I mean, like I said, they're a good company, easy to get appointed for those new brokers, and you just let them know that you were interested, and they'll basically help you out. It's not that problem. With that being said, that's about it. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other questions, comment, concern, please comment, like, subscribe. I'll try my best to help you out as much as possible to clarify any confusion you guys have. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video. And again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.